Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here at my home shop in beautiful Seminole, Florida. I am going to do a before and after on this tape line with a product that Turtle Wax was kind enough to send me. This is the ceramic polish and wax. This is an all-in-one. It lays down a sealant, it leaves behind a wax, and as I have seen on this truck, it actually does a great job at removing scratches. I'm using the Lake Country Orange Force pads. I've got a few nice drops on this pad, and I am going to show you. I'm going to polish on this section and then pull the tape, and I'll show you what it leaves behind. So we are going to dab out some product. Turtle Wax recommends 2 drops on your foam pad. I found that I needed a little more. I am going to spread out the polish on speed 1 and then go to speed 5, but I'm going to wear my safety glasses because safety is very important, as I stress to all of you very often. Okay, here we are on 1. Okay, so that was the equivalency of 2 or 3 passes. As you want to put a fair amount of pressure, I'd say probably 4 or 5 pounds. We found working best on this today. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wet down. You can go ahead and shoot over here, cameraman. So this product suggests that you use first a wet microfiber towel. I had at first a dampened towel, and I found that the product was sticking on me just a little bit. We had some sunshine earlier. We're running out of a little bit of light here, and I say we because my cameraman is working with me here today. So you go over the product after you apply with a wet or dampened microfiber towel, and then you follow with a dry microfiber towel. I am using Creature Edgeless by the Rag Company, by the way. Great towels, no linting. So, buff, da-da-da-da, let's see how that looks. I'm going to get a little wetness in there, get that tape residue. Okay, let me get out of the light. Probably should have had my correction light. How's that look to you, cameraman?
Looks good.
Looks good? Oh, I can really see that. Yeah, you're getting some shots kind of in. Move it kind of side to side over that line, back and forth horizontal. Yep. Oh, wow. I can see by the light that the camera gives off. Really, really amazing. This line is very distinct. This has a much richer, deeper, glossier, darker look to it, as where our somewhat neglected black Nissan paint, you know, there's just a very distinct line. Not that this was in that bad of shape, really, but this makes it look way better. It's got a durable protection. It's got hydrophobic properties. And this is a true ceramic infused product. So you've got great durability. It should give good sheeting. And I'm very, very impressed with this. I actually went around with a piece of foam by hand and did the top and did some hard to reach areas around the door handles, and the difference was absolutely amazing. It was very distinct. So Turtle Wax, you've hit this out of the park. I'm really impressed with this product. We're going to go ahead and finish up before dark, and as always, thank you for being with me. Please hit the notification bell, ding! Hit the thumbs up, give me a liking, comment if you like. And if you know somebody that's into all-in-one paint polishing or is detailing, maybe they just want to start out with a new product, it's good in the sun, the panels can be hot, and it will really make your life easy. It's an awesome product. Thanks for being with me. I'll see you on the flip side.